Welcome back to this new video, guys, of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you in a very easy way how to create a high converting landing page into WordPress. So we'll go from blank canvas to a page designed to get results. So what is a landing page and why you need one? So basically this is a single goal. Unlike a regular website page with lots of links and navigation, a landing page has just one singular purpose: to drive a specific conversion. So there's minimal distractions. It usually removes navigation managed from footers and other elements that could put the visitors away from your main call to action. And you can have a specific offer or a conversion focused. So this is the reason why you want to need one of those. So when you do drive traffic from ads, social media, email campaigns, sending them to a dedicated landing page dramatically increases your conversion rates. Now, a high converting landing page isn't just pretty, it's strategically designed. So here are core elements you typically need to do. Of course, you need to have a WordPress account. Go directly into your sites and we can start totally from scratch. So I'm going to delete the sites that I won't use or I won't be using, and I'm going to be starting from scratch. So basically what I'm going to be doing here is to choose my WordPress landing page tool. Now, the easiest and most powerful way to building landing page in WordPress is by using a drag and drop page builder plugins. So the native Gutenberg block editor has improved. Page builders offer far more flexibility and specialized templates. There's Elementor, there's the Seed product, there's the Beaver builder and DB, also excellent widely used option. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be demonstrating this one using, for example, Elementor. So the first thing to do is to having access to my WordPress website and look out directly into this left part. I'm going to go all my way down and look out for plugins, add new plugin. The first thing to do is to hit into the option that says add new plugin and look out for the one that says Elementor. Since I already have Elementor activated, I won't do an engage. But in this case, what you want to do is to look out for the one that says Elementor. Go for the option that says install now, like this one, and hit into the option that says activate. When you have now used that element, it should be appearing here into the left section. It says Elementor, for example. Here it is, Elementor. Now, what I'm going to be here, now that I have added Elementor, I want to be going directly into the option that says pages. Usually it should be appearing all into the upper side, and go for add new page. Now here, when I click into add new page, it should be asking me, of course, to give the page an actual name. So we can give it a clear name. For example, let's say this is a critical for a landing page because on the right sidebar under the page attributes, you can find the template drop down. If you don't, you can go here, for example, that with Elementor AI and choose to edit with Elementor. So once you have selected the template, what's going to happen here is that we can start using a template, but now inside Elementor. So basically here we can click into any element and directly into the preview to edit it, and the left sidebar will show its specific settings. Now I can browse through the pages, I can browse through blogs, to the categories. Many are designed specifically as landing page, so just find a template you like, preview it, and click into insert. This will import a pre-designed layout. So inside now the area of Elementor, what I'm going to be doing here is to locate, and I can just start by adding simultaneous information such as the title of my website, such as the images. Here is a button. I can add text, I have dividers, I can add videos. There's a lot of stuff that you can do. Change the headline, edit the body text, for example, customize the call to action elements. We can add a form. If you have Elementor Pro, you can drag and drop the form widget. Otherwise, you can use a free form plugin like the WP form, for example, Fluent Forms. You have more options, for example, adding search bar, you can add icons, you can add spacers, there's a text editor, and there's so much more elements, depending on what is the actual element that you have here from Elementor. When you're finished with this process, you can now save and progress or update at the upper right column. Right, though when creating pages, half the battle, optimizer is the order. So you want to keep your CTA above the fold. So make sure your main call to action is visible without scrolling on most screens. So you want to ensure fast loading speed. You can use optimized images. Choose a good host and consider catching plugins that can be helping, of course, to get started codes and make the page speed crucial for conversion rates. Also, what you want to do is to make sure that your website has a mobile-first design and the A/B test can be prioritized. So tools like Google Optimize, for example, can be helping you with those elements. So there you have it, guys. Creating a high converting landing page in the WordPress is incredibly accessible thanks to the powerful page of builders like Elementor. Of course, this is like too basic because we need to have more elements available here inside our WordPress. But basically, there are more things to come. There are more things that you can use totally for free. In this case, you want to stick around with Elementor, which I think is going to be much more faster to use it at the moment. So let us know in the comments below what you think about Elementor. If you have another way and easiest way to get started with Elementor's, the patterns, the blocks, stuff here into WordPress, you can let us know into the comments below. So don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools, how you can get started here directly inside WordPress. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, I can all see you next time. See you soon.